Do you think you need a high salary to become wealthy? What if I told you, you can build real wealth even if your income is low? Most people believe wealth is about earning more, but the truth is wealth is about managing better. In today's video, I'll share 10 smart habits that normal earners use to build wealth step by step. No complicated investing, no risky shortcuts, just simple habits that actually work. Stay till the end. Habit number 10 is the one most people ignore. Hi everyone, welcome to Richer Guide. If you want practical money advice in simple language, you're in the right place. Let's start building wealth the smart way. If you don't know where your money goes, you'll never control it. Track every expense for 30 days. You'll be shocked at how much money disappears on small things. Food delivery, subscriptions, impulse shopping. Awareness creates control. Don't wait to earn more to start saving. Even 500 rupees or 1000 rupees monthly matters. It's not about amount, it's about habit. Automatic transfers work best. Before investing, protect yourself. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. Without this, one emergency can destroy years of progress. Credit card debt is wealth's biggest enemy. If interest rate is 30%, you are running backward. Pay off high interest debt first. Low income today doesn't mean low income forever. Learn skills, start freelancing, monetize your knowledge. Even an extra 5,000 rupees monthly changes everything. You don't need lakhs to invest. Start SIPs, start index funds, start small. Time in the market matters more than timing. When salary increases, lifestyle increases too. That's the trap. Instead, increase investments, not expenses. New phone every year? Upgrading everything after promotion? Wealth builders delay upgrades. Control ego spending. Wealth takes time. Small investments today, big rewards later. Compounding needs patience. Most people quit too early. Financial knowledge is free today. Read blogs, watch finance videos, learn basic investing. Knowledge reduces fear. Let's recap the 10 smart habits. Track spending. Save consistently. Build emergency fund. Avoid debt. Increase income. Invest small. Live below means. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Stay patient. Keep learning. Wealth is not about earning more. It's about managing better. If this video helped you, hit the like button. Comment, wealth, if you're starting your journey. And subscribe to Richer Guide for simple money advice every week. Remember, low income is temporary. Smart habits are permanent. See you in the next video.